Samantala, tinanggap ni Justice Secretary Laila De Lima ang hamon sa kanyang Ice Bucket Challenge. Ginawa mismo ito ng kalihim sa tanggapan ng Department of Justice. Pagkatapos nito, ginungkit ni De Lima sina Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte, Congressman Neil Tupas Jr. at Rehabilitation Czar Panfilo Lacson upang gawin ang challenge. Bukod sa pagtanggap ng hamon, nag-donate din ng $100 si De Lima upang makatulong sa mga pasyente ng ALS.
I am nominating or challenging 3 individuals, namely Sec Ping Lacson, Congressman Neil Tupas, and hold your breath, Mayor Rudy Duterte. So I hope they take the challenge. Good luck.
Ma'am, why did you take the challenge?
Well, it's a challenge. I'm the type that do not back down from any challenge. I love challenges, especially for a worthy cause. Alam nyo naman, this is really for a worthy cause. Marami na yung nag-take ng challenge all over the globe. So since may nag-challenge sa akin, several nga yung nag-challenge, including si Tuning, I took it for a worthy cause. And that's why I'm challenging also others. Kunin din nila kasi worthy cause nga.